Dear students, I am Debabrata Debnath. I want to discuss the concept of quadratic equation for 10th standard students. This class will be very helpful for the students of CBSE board and ICSE board. The students who are interested to solve the problem from NCERT books, it will be very helpful for them. So let us start our class. Quadratic equation. We are familiar with quadratic polynomial. What is the form of quadratic polynomial? You know that ax square plus bx plus c is the standard form of quadratic polynomial where a not equal to 0. It is a quadratic polynomial of a single variable x. When we equate the expression with 0, then this becomes an equation. This equation is known as quadratic equation. That is, when the expression x square plus bx plus c is equated with 0, then this represents an equation. This equation is known as quadratic equation. The standard form of quadratic equation is quadratic equation is x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0, a, b, c all are real numbers. Is it clear? All are real numbers. Now we give some example of quadratic equation. It is very easy. 5x square plus 7x plus 1 is a quadratic equation. If we compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get coefficient of x square, that is a equal to 5. We get x equal to 7. We get c equal to 1. It is a quadratic equation. Again, x square, 3x square plus 4x equal to 0. It is also a quadratic equation. If we compare it with ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, we get a equal to 3, b equal to 4 and c equal to 0. We know that an equation will be quadratic equation if coefficient of x square, that is a not equal to 0, then it will become a quadratic equation. Again, x square equal to 0, a quadratic equation, since coefficient of x square equal to 1, that is not equal to 0. Is it clear? These are the example of quadratic equation. Now we check some equation whether these are quadratic equation or not. Let us consider an equation x plus 1 whole square equal to 2, 3 into x plus 5. Whether it is a quadratic equation or not. answer. The given equation is x plus 1 whole square equal to 3 into x plus 5. This implies x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 3x plus 15. This implies x square plus 2x minus 3x plus 1 minus 15 is equal to 0. This implies x square minus x minus 14 equal to 0. We compare it with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. The standard form of quadratic equation: ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. A not equal to 0. When a not equal to 0, then it is a quadratic equation. We compare it with a equal to 1, b equal to minus 1, c equal to minus 14. Since a not equal to 0, so this equation is a quadratic equation. Okay, is it clear? Now we check another equation: x plus 1 whole square equal to 2 into x minus 3. Is it quadratic equation? We solve it as the given equation is x plus 1 whole square equal to 2 into x minus 3. This implies x square plus 2 into x into 1 plus 1 whole square is equal to 2 into x minus 3. This implies x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 2x minus 6. We transfer the term from the right hand side to left hand side. X square plus 2x minus 2x plus 1 plus 6 equal to 0. X square plus 7 equal to 0, 2x is out, 7 equal to 0. We compare it with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We get a equal to 1, b equal to 0. Since there is no any coefficient of x, and c equal to 0, c equal to 7. This represents a quadratic equation. Is it clear? Again we consider an example: 2x plus 1 whole square equal to 4x square plus 3x plus 7. Is it a quadratic equation? The given equation can be taken as the given equation can be taken as 2x plus 1 whole square is equal to 4x square plus x plus 7. This implies 4x square 2x whole square plus 2 into 2x into 1 plus 1 whole square equal to 4x square plus x plus 7. 4x square plus 4x plus 1 is equal to 4x square plus x plus 7. This implies we cancel 4x square from both sides. তাহলে we get 4x minus x plus 1 minus 7 is equal to 0. This implies 3x minus 6 equal to 0. we take common 3 from both sides, x minus 2 equal to 0. This implies x minus 2 equal to 0. Is it quadratic equation? No. We compare it with x square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We get a equal to 1, sorry, a equal to 0, since there is no coefficient of x square, that is x minus 2 equal to 0, that is 0 into x square plus 1 into x minus 2 equal to 0. There is no any coefficient of x square, so we can take coefficient of x square equal to 0, that is a equal to 0, b equal to 1, c equal to minus 2. Okay, clear. Since a equal to 0, hence this equation is not a quadratic equation. Is it clear? Okay. Now we check another problem. X plus 1 whole cube equal to x minus 1 into x plus 2. The given equation is x plus 1 whole cube equal to x minus 1 into x plus 2. This implies x cube plus 3 into x square plus 1. We know that a plus b whole, formula of a plus b whole cube equal to a cube plus 3 square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Okay, 3 into x into 1 plus 1 cube equal to x into x square plus 2x minus x minus 2. This implies x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 equal to x square plus x minus 2. This implies x cube plus 3x square minus x square plus 3x minus x plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0, or x cube plus 2x square plus 2x square plus 2x minus 1 equal to 0. Is it a quadratic equation? You see, there is no similarity with the standard form of quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c, because there is highest power of x square. Quadratic equation contains only highest power of x square, but there is highest power, the highest power of this equation is, highest power of this variable is 3. Since the highest power of this equation of the equation of the variable in this equation is 3, this equation is not a quadratic equation. An equation will be quadratic if and only if the highest power the highest power of the variable is 2. When a single variable equation contains highest degree 2, that is when the variable contains the highest degree. Since degree of variable is highest, variable is 3, since this equation is not a quadratic equation. Okay, now we go to an interesting matter. There are many situations which can be represented in the quadratic form. We give some example. The area of a rectangle, is 528 square meter. The length of the plot, is the length of the plot in meters, is one more than twice its breadth. We need to find the length. Length and breadth of the plot, and breadth of the plot. We are very familiar with the rectangular plot. You know that the picture of this rectangle represents rectangular plot. We depict it as A, B, C, D. Here total area of this plot is 528 square meter. We shaded the region of the area. This is area of the rectangle. Total area is 528 square meter. The breadth is here, length is here. Answer: let breadth of the rectangle is of the plot is x meter. So length is what is say? Length is more than one more than twice its breadth. Twice of breadth with more than 1, that is 2x plus 1 meter. We know that the formula of a rectangular area, that is area of a rectangle is length into breadth. The area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Thus area is equal to length into breadth, equal to length means 2x plus 1, breadth means x. We multiply 2x square plus x. This is an algebraic expression. This is the algebraic expression of the total area of the plot. Again, it is said that 528 square meter is the area of the plot. But now, according to question, according to condition 2x square plus x, a total area is equal to 528. That is 2x square plus x minus 528 is equal to 0. this is a quadratic form, quadratic form. Okay, this situation can be expressed in the quadratic form of equation. Thus, a practical example can be expressed in a mathematical form of algebraic equation. Okay guys, now we go to another example. Okay, represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. Quadratic form of equation. Quadratic form of equation. Represents the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. Okay, number 1, the product of two consecutive positive integer is 650. The product of two consecutive the product of two consecutive positive integers is 90. Product of two consecutive positive integer is 90. So how we can represent it in algebraic equation? It is very simple and very easy. Answer: let the numbers are positive integers are x and x plus 1. Since integers are consecutive, so if one is x, then other will be x plus 1. Now the product of them will be x into x plus 1 equal to x plus 1, x and x plus 1. Again, it is given that product of them is 90. Now, according to question, we say that x into x plus 1 is equal to 90. That is x square plus x equal to 90. That is x square plus x minus 90 equal to 0. This is the required quadratic form of equation of this situation. Okay, it is very easy and simple. Again, we take another example. Rahman's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages in years. 3 years from now. 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rahman's present age. We would like to find Rahman's present age. Okay. Rahman's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rahman's present age. Okay. The Rahman's mother is 26 years older than him. Answer. Let the present age of Rahman is X years. Since his mother is 26 years older than him, so the present age of his mother will be the present age of his mother will be X plus 26. Okay. We will go again 3 years after from the day. That is, today we will go to this point, that is 3 years after. 3 years after, the Rahman's age will be X plus 3. After the 3 years, Rahman's age will be X plus 3, and the age of his mother, will be, since X plus 26 plus 3, since the present age of his mother X plus 26, and after 3 years this age will be X plus 26 plus 3, that is X plus 29. It is said that the product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. So now after 3 years, product of their age will be X plus 3 into X plus 26. Okay. Again, after 3 years, their product of their ages is 360. তাহলে hence according to question, hence according to question, according to question, x plus 3 into x plus 26 is equal to 360. Okay, we calculate it as x square plus 29, sorry, here 26, 29 will be, here will be 29 instead of 26. Okay, so x square plus 26x plus 3x plus 3 into 29, that is 87, is equal to 360. X square plus 26, x square plus 29x plus 3x plus 3 into 87, 3 into 33, 9 39, 3 into 9 27, and 3 into 2 26, 6 plus 2 8. Okay, that is x square plus 29x plus 3x 32x plus 87 minus 360 is equal to 0. This is x square plus 32x 360 minus 87, 0 7 3 6 16 8 7 and 2, sorry, okay, 0 7 3 6 16 8 8 1 minus 7, 273. This is the required form of quadratic equation. Okay, clear? Now the situation can be represented in a quadratic form. Now we take another example which can be represented in quadratic form. A train travels a distance 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, if the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have been then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. We need to find the speed of the train. Okay, a train travels a distance 480 km at a uniform speed. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, then it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. Answer. Very interesting problem. Let the speed of the train is x km per hour. It is given that total distance is 480 km. We know that a formula S equal to Vt is total distance covered equal to velocity into time. Okay, since total distance covered 480 km, velocity x, time is not known, hence time equal to 480 by x hour. The time taken by the train to cover the distance with 480 km with x km per hour is equal to 480 by x hours. Again, if the speed of the train will be x minus 8 km per hour. The distance is same, that is equal to 480 kilometers. So now the time taken to cover this distance is equal to, we use the formula time equal to total distance by velocity. Time equal to total distance covered time equal to total distance covered by velocity. Okay, now total distance 480 km, velocity x minus 8 hours. Okay, clear? There are two cases. First case is velocity x, total distance 480 km, and then time taken 480 by x hours. this time can be obtained from the formula time equal to total distance covered by velocity. Okay, you should remember the formula S is equal to Vt. S means total distance, V means velocity, T means time covered. Okay, clear. Now since 3 more time needed to cover the same distance when the velocity is decreased, that is the difference of time is 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x. X minus 8 is small and x is large number. Since it is small, hence it represents a big number, and it represents a small number. Now according to question 480 by x minus 8 minus 480 by x equal to 3. Clear? Now we calculate it as x minus 8 minus 80 by x. We calculate or we take 480 as common, 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x is equal to 3, or 408 is equal to into total LCM x minus 8 into x minus x minus 8 equal to 3, or 480 160 into x minus x plus 8 by x square minus 8x equal to 1, or x square minus 8x is equal to 8 into 160, or x square minus 8x equal to 800, 8 into 6 48, 8 into 1 and 4 1280, or x square minus 8x minus 1280 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation. So hence the above situation can be represented in a quadratic form of equation. This is the quadratic form of equation of the given situation. Okay, thank you students. We will take lesson in next day for finding out of the roots of quadratic equation. Okay, thanks a lot everybody.